Good morning, you guys. I'm back today with another vlog.
We trust our minds when they're telling lies. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
So, you guys, today is going to be a sister day. My dog is all over me. She's ready to go. You guys, I'm about to go hang out with my sister Chantelle. I'm in New Jersey right now. She just bought a house in New Jersey. I'm so proud of her. My little sister is now a homeowner. I'm about to go see her new house and, just visit her. I missed her so much. You guys have met Chantelle before. If you go back to, my vlogs with my dad or my vlogs, on my dad's birthday, you'll see her there in those vlogs. Hold on. Yeah, my dog is tripping. She's ready to go. My Chantelle is my sister on my dad's side. Okay, so we're gonna go check her out. Then a little bit later, we're gonna go hang out with Brianna, my other little sister. That's my sister on my mom's side. So yeah, today's a sister's day. So we're about to go head out. It's super early. The first thing I need to do is go find a post office and ship out these orders. Even though I'm out of town, I still gotta do what I gotta do. I bought orders with me because I knew I was gonna have to do some shipments while I was out here. So that's the first thing I need to do. Let's go find the post office and get these people their seasoning, honey, okay? All right, y'all, we're all loaded in. Let's go ahead. I have to find a post office. Drink of the morning. I'm doing vanilla pure protein. Even though I'm on the road, I still pack me some. Not sponsored, but y'all already know I'm trying to replace meals. Trying to slim down some. Okay, but yeah, breakfast. Good morning, Papito.
It's poppin', it's your boy Jig, you know how I do it. Y'all know the vibes.
Okay. Alright, y'all, let's roll. Alright, so I found the post office. I'm in a town or city called Metuchen, New Jersey. Thank you so much. Alright. Mission accomplished. Let's roll.
What you doing? I don't know if that's a good idea.
So yeah, I'm almost to my sister's house. I didn't want to be empty-handed, so I'm getting some drinks, some muffins to take over there. Yeah, look at my little sister Chantelle. Hey, hey,
Dunkin' Donuts.
Hey. Turn around one time for him. Hey.
Right?
Yeah. Aw, the sun
Coming
is...
to see my first house.
Your first house? I'm so proud of you.
House.
She has a house before me. All I have is a condo.
No, it's not true.
All I have is a condo.
It's cute. We lit. We about to do this. Dunkin' Donuts in the hand.
Okay, little sis. This is cute. Love the dining room chairs.
Yeah. My dining room table is pending right now.
This is the dining room table, y'all. Pretty marble. It's not up yet. I love those colored chairs.
You do?
Very cute.
Thank you. Don't gas me now.
No, it's very cute.
All right.
Yo, look at your
I'm
booty.
probably gonna rent those too.
Her guest rooms. Okay.
And my little kitchen.
Your little kitchen. Do you even cook?
I do. I made eggplant today.
I bought you some of my seasoning.
Nice.
Man, cute.
Flavor.
Yeah, girl. That season is making me a millionaire. Very cute. Yo, my sister has my chandelier. Huh? Yo, she didn't know. Hey, look at this one.
Yes, this is it.
You guys know I love light fixtures. Beautiful.
Sit down.
Leave a comment down below. Say congratulations, Chantelle, on your new place. It's beautiful.
Thanks,
Alright,
guys.
so we're gonna chat it up some more and I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. much since I last picked up the camera. We in the Bronx now. About to meet up with Brianna and Savannah. And yeah, now it's dark. Yeah, I've been busy, okay? I'm sorry. But yeah.
Speed camera reported ahead.
Castle Hill. I haven't been out here in a while. Wow, this is where they put the Golden Corral? I wonder if they Golden Corral like our Golden Corral.
You put the wrong address, man.
Oh, what the hell done happened here? Alright, mommy. They beefing out here. Brooklyn don't like it.
Take it, dog, girl. Show, listen.
And there they go. Hey, Bree.
Hi.
Savannah.
Oh my God.
Brooklyn,
Come
don't
Brooklyn.
listen.
No, she's trying.
So you guys, we're about to go to dinner. We're sitting outside. Okay.
If we're allowed to bring the cart, can we put her in a cart?
No. Savannah. So I got the pretzels and the beer cheese. I know I love these. So good. And I think I'm gonna get a burger and a salad. You know, I'm starving. We're all starving.
Okay, can I get the top sirloin? I like it. Medium rare.
Medium rare or well?
Rare. Yeah.
What?
I like it medium
She
rare.
ordered her steak medium rare.
It's not.
Let me see. The sides, mashed potatoes.
So here is my drink.
I don't have any
Okay.
No problem, bro. Everything is good?
Yeah, you still get?
I'm going to.
Okay, yeah.
Of course, for Brooklyn, we got her some grilled chicken breast to go inside her food. She ready?
Well, it's 2 o'clock.
Cut it up for her. Oh, pray again, Savannah. This is the first time Savannah led us in prayer. Go ahead.
Thank you for this food about to see in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
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 So I got the Caesar salad,
Get
a
down.
burger,
Get down. Get down.
burger. Then I got steak,
Medium rare, baby.
mac and cheese, Caesar salad, grilled chicken, string beans mash. Bon appetito.
That's why you don't do things
Oh,
normal on
let's
a
go,
first
let's go,
date. 'Cause if they leave,
Got
then
it.
they not again.
They put so much dressing on it.
Cheese.
That was good, John. Time to roll. Y'all ready?
After you come out with my car.
Oh, he do got your card. You and me must never part, my da.
Can you see me?
I see you.
Okay.
I love you.
Love you too.
Love you guys.
See you. Bye, Brooklyn. Be good, girl.
Oh, girl.
Aw, love you.
Love you too. Come on.
Bye, Brooklyn.
Until we meet again, never buys and see you later. Aww.
Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh. Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that. Get
making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever, I'm not fulfilling. Another one is filling. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I'll roll over. Baby, I heard you, I'm here to serve you. All you need, even if it's not yours.
Okay, I'm reloaded.